The Moo Virus, otherwise known as the cow virus, is a meme virus that screws with iPhone users, making everything look zoomed in and causing a moo sound to play.
We gotta click into it first. Let's see. What the fuck is a cow?
It works by sending a person a link, often labeled something tantalizing such as high school fights, and clicking that link is what leads to changing the accessibility settings via shortcuts, absolutely screwing with whoever opens it. The good news is that it can be fixed rather easily by going into the settings folder, but it's become enough of a widespread prank that people keep falling for it. As such, it's not really a virus in the classical sense, which is usually created in order to mess with software or hold files at ransom in order to demand a cash payment. The Moo virus is a bit like a modern example of those older proof-of-concept viruses that would spread back in the day, such as the Creeper virus from 1971, which was coded just to see if computer programs could move from one machine to another. However, back in the day, criminals quickly became aware that they could use the ability to move programs or code to commit cybercrime. And so, the fact that the Moo virus is so easily fixed is kind of a nice little lesson on the importance of internet safety, as you really shouldn't be going around opening random links people send through. This meme may be the first time a person discovers what it means to get a virus, even if it isn't a virus in the true sense, because it's just a bunch of changed settings. However, it may be a kick in the butt some need to understand how easy it is to lose control. In fact, even the instructions to remove the Moo virus have become a meme, as a screenshot of how to fix it is going around in the comments sections of every video in which it is mentioned. It also seems to mostly be something people send to others in order to film their reaction or just to annoy them, with the knowledge that it can be fixed later, so it sits more in the realm of prank than actual malware. That being said, the Moo virus does demonstrate a potential to get worse later on, as it seems that as long as someone knows how to exploit an iPhone, they may end up doing so with increasingly frustrating ideas. In short, the Moo virus has become a meme thanks to its spread across social media. However, if you do end up clicking that link and having your shortcuts messed with, just know that, for now, it's a relatively easy fix for what amounts to an education on internet safety. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe!